High 6. All the connections you need with fast charging, data transfer and a bottle opener. We've all been stuck at home the last couple years, so we've completely gotten out of the habit to pack our charging cables when we get ready for the day. High 6 is the perfect solution. Simply attach to your keychain and you've got always the right connection. The cable and the adapter slip nicely into its sleek metal casing to protect the cable while you're on the go, so you won't lose them, damage them or get them dirty. Pre-order High 6 today, the last charging cable you ever need, and get great early bird rewards.